Hello, kids. Do you know the vowels of the alphabet letters? There are five vowels, and the five vowels are A, E, I, O, and U. A sounds a. E sounds e, e. I sounds E, E. O sounds O, O. U sounds A. Those are the vowels of the alphabet letters. Good job. Let's find out the mystery letter for today. I see a pot, and inside the pot are pumpkins. Let's count the pumpkins. One, two. That's right. There are two pumpkins. And our mystery letter for today is the letter P. And P sounds P, P. Good job. ABC animals. A. Alligator. B. Bear. C. Cow. D. Dog. E. Elephant. F. Frog. G. Goat. H. Hen. I. Iguana. J. Jaguar. K. Kangaroo. L. Lion. M. Monkey. N. Newt. O. Octopus. P. Parrot. Q. Quail. R. Rabbit. S. Snake. T. Turtle. U. Unicorn. V. Vulture. W. Whale. X. X-ray fish. Y. Yuck. Z. Zebra. Good job, kids. Welcome to Learn and Play with Austin. Let's count the red apples. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 red apples. Good job. The shape song. This is circle, this is circle, it is round, it is round. There is no corners, there is no corners, it's a circle, it's a circle. This is square, this is squared, four equal sides with four equal sides. You can make a cube, you can make a cube with a square, with a square. That's a triangle, that's a triangle with three corners, three corners. Can you make a triangle like a cone? That's a triangle, that's a triangle. It's a rectangle with two longer sides, with two longer sides. Rectangle is long, rectangle is long. That's a rectangle, that's a rectangle. Consonants. B, B, C, K, D, D, F, F, G, G, H, H, J, J, K, K, L, L, M, M, N, N, P, P, Q, Q, R, R, S, S, T, T, V, V, W, W, X, X, Y, Y, Z, Z. Good job. Let's sort the colors. What is the color of the apple? Red. What is the color of the banana? Yellow. What is the color of the tomato? Red. What is the color of the lemon? Yellow. What is the color of the strawberry? Red. What is the color of the mango? Yellow. What is the color of the car? It's red. What is the color of the bus? It's color yellow. Good job, kids. It's a wonderful day. Are you excited to learn something new? Yes, I am excited too. Today will be a colorful day because we are going to learn the colors of the rainbow. Do you know the colors of the rainbow? Do you also know how many colors does it have? Let's find out together. This is a rainbow. We see a rainbow after the rain. And these are the colors of the rainbow: red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet. Let's repeat the colors: red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet. Nice! Good job! Now, let's count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Wow! The rainbow has 7 colors on it. Good job counting! Hello, kids! How are you feeling today? We have different emotions. You can be happy. You can also be sad or angry or excited. You can also be scared or confused. It is normal to have different emotions. The alphabet song: A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me? Words that start with letter C. C. Cat. K. Cat. C. Car. K. Car. C. Candle. K. Candle. C. Candy. K. Candy. C. Camping. K. Camping. C. Coins. K. Coins. C. Cave. K. Cave. C. Cake. K. Cake. Good job, kids! Hello, kids! This is circle. Circle has no sides and no corners. Let's see which objects are in circle shape. The first object is a plate. I don't see corners and I don't see sides. Yes, it is in circle shape. Correct. The next one is a piece of pizza. I see three sides and three corners. It is in triangle, so it's not in circle shape. The third one is a clock. Do you see corners and sides? It has no corners and sides because it's circle. The next one is a bar of chocolate. What do you think? It is not in circle shape. You're right. The last one is a ball. I don't see corners and sides, so it is in circle shape. Good job! Circle. Welcome, learn and play with Austin. Let's learn the alphabet letters. A. Apple starts with letter A. Look at these red apples. Looks yummy. B. Ball. Ball starts with letter B. Dribble, dribble, shoot. Ball. C. Cat. Cat starts with letter C. What is the sound of a cat? Meow. D. Dog. Dog starts with letter D. Can you say arf arf? That's a dog. E. Elephant. Elephant starts with letter E. They can stomp on you. They are so big. F. Fire. Fire starts with letter F. Fire is so hot, so do not touch it. G. Goat. Goat starts with letter G. They eat a lot of grass. H. Hands. Hands starts with letter H. Look at those hands. I. Ice cream. Ice cream starts with letter I. Ice cream is so sweet and cold. J. Juice. Juice starts with letter J. It's refreshing to drink juice, especially on summer days. K. Kettle. Kettle starts with letter K. You use kettle to boil water. L. Lake. Lake starts with letter L. You can swim on a lake. M. Monkey. Monkey starts with letter M. Look at that monkey. He's eating an apple. N. Nose. Nose starts with letter N. We use our nose for smelling. O. Orange. Orange starts with letter O. O is rich in vitamin C. P. Penguin. Penguin starts with letter P. Look at those cute little feet. Q. Queen. Queen starts with letter Q. Look at that beautiful queen. R. Rabbit. Rabbit starts with letter R. Rabbit hops, hops, hops. S. Sun. Sun starts with letter S. Sun is good for our body. It is rich in vitamin E. T. Turtle. Turtle starts with letter T. Turtle has a hard shell. U. Umbrella. Umbrella starts with letter U. We use umbrella during summer and rainy days. V. Violin. Violin starts with letter V. It's nice to hear some music from the violin. W. Whale. Whale starts with W. Whale lives in the water. X. X-ray. X-ray starts with letter X. We can see our bones through X-ray. Y. Yarn. Yarn starts with letter Y. Do you know we can make clothes using yarn? Z. Zebra. Zebra starts with letter Z. They have black and white stripes. Great job! Clap your hands because you did very well. You can watch again this video so you can remember the alphabet letters. This is your first step in learning on how to read words. Subscribe for more videos here with Austin. Learn and play with Austin. Let's learn to count from numbers 1 to 10 by Learn and Play with Austin. 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good job, kids! Learn the colors by learn and play with Austin. I am color red. I am color blue. I am color yellow. I am color purple. I am color pink. I am color orange. I am color green. Good job, kids! You did a very, very good job! A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Spelling alphabet by learn and play with Austin. Ant. A N T. Let's spell it again. A N T. Ant. Car. C A R. One more time. C A R car. Boy. B O Y. Let's spell it again. B O Y. Boy. Pen. P E N. One more time. P E N. Pen. Good job, kids!